Dear little puppy, I hope that they will love you like their own. I hope you'll be the heart of someone's home. I knew someday I'd have to let you go, help raise you with my heart and all my soul. My loyal Labrador, I hope that you have time to run and play. You'll have those warm, lazy summer days. In winter, curl up by the fireplace, chase the blowing leaves of autumn, and watch the flowers bud.